Here we are again, Wednesday morning. July 23rd. There's a northbound train coming. I think it has 770 something axles. That's what the defect detector said. 10 miles south of here. Half an hour, 45 minutes ago, a southbound empty coal train went by on the main. He was rolling slow, so he may have stopped where it goes back to one track. And this one may be coming up the siding. I don't know. He seems like he's going slow, so he may roll in slow, waiting for another southbound to clear. We'll find out. Seems like he's taking forever to get here. I might have started this a little too early. Well, I can hear it now. Instead of the echo through the hills, I hear the actual locomotive. Zoom it up here a bunch. He's rolling slow. Is he on the siding or the main? He's on the siding. That's what I thought. Excuse me, I was leaning over to see it. There we go. Hopefully he clears. Got an EMD out front. We got 5 locomotives. Having a hard time standing on this rock. This appears to be the M542. I don't know, it's a manifest. Rebar. My little dog friend's all excited. He's clearing the signal. I think he's picking speed up. Probably got a green, so he'll roll right on through. Might even pick up a little bit of speed. The breeze feels good, I know that. On the side, it's a close view. You can't get the locomotives very well. I should have just kept it at this angle here. They eat up the whole street this close. Covered hopper. Steel foil cars. Got some refrigerated box cars coming. Got an audience up above the hill here. Got the light to proceed, so depending on what the other light says, the other signal says where it comes to one track again, we'll see. Seems like he might be slowing down. Tropicana. More Tropicana. train, if he stops, it may not clear me. We'll see. I think he will. There's some new wheel sets. Oh, DPU behind a stack of lumber. This thing, I guess, got 6 locomotives if I counted right. Got some pretty good sized trains here the past 2 days. Packing up, leaving here in a little bit. Yeah, he's on the siding because an empty coal train came south on the main. So the coal train, I'm sure, stopped the next signal south of here where it goes back to one line. He stopped and waited for this to clear. Those things are loaded. Whatever's in there, they're loaded. Those springs are compressed. It's the big one. More trains on this line, the better, as far as I'm concerned. They can't handle double stacks. That's the one thing it's got going against it. See what happens. Is he slowing down or is he kicking it up a notch? I have a feeling he's slowing down. He might have a red light. Yep, he's got a red. It's about 2 miles past here. I hate when that happens. Noisy brakes. Oh boy. Somebody's triggered. Well, you gonna chase it off? Huh? I know, you're excited, aren't you? Well, come here. We've got another train coming. South, I hear it. So I'll stop this one. I don't edit, so I'll stop this one and I'll pick up where we left off. This one probably won't move until the locomotive gets to here or past the southbound. All right, Carter. I can hear the locomotive. I'm debating on whether to stop and restart. There's one coming south.
Yeah.
It's been a busy morning. 4 trains this morning. If this next one makes it through. Oh, I hear that DPU up there idling. Yeah, the other one's off in the distance. It'll be in a few minutes. So I'll stop and start again with another video.